Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video.
In this quick tutorial, I will explain how you can remove those grid lines that you see in the background if you want to. The gray lines you can see horizontally and vertically. And I like it better when the lines are not displayed. And in this tutorial, I will explain exactly how you can do that. In the previous tutorial, I already mentioned how you can switch over from the dark mode to the light mode or from the light mode to the dark mode. And most people that use Tradingview select the dark mode because in the most cases, things are much more visible that way. So that's why I have set it to the dark mode. And if you want to know how to switch from the light mode that's set up by default to the dark mode, watch the previous tutorial. But as I mentioned, in this tutorial, I will explain how you can remove those grid lines. And it's very simple to do. So the only thing you need to do is click on the right mouse button. Then you go to the settings option over here. Just click on it. And here you can see at the appearance option, you can see the grid lines, so the vertical grid lines. And over here, it's set to 6% by default. Just switch it over to 0 and do the same thing for the horizontal grid lines that's over here. Also set it to 0. And then hit OK. And as you can see now, the grid lines are not visible anymore. It gives a better overview of the chart and I like it this way. Now you know how to do it. It's very easy to do. And in the next video, I will explain how you can select different charts, because by default Tradingview is set to the Apple chart like this. But you can also select other charts, and in the next video I will explain exactly how you can do that. In the upcoming videos I will explain everything you need to know about Tradingview, and after that I will explain also how you can do your own technical analysis, how you can day trade, how you can swing trade, how you can use indicators, all of that stuff you need to know to become an independent trader. That's why I started this channel.
I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.